Hi! If you are new here, welcome. You are watching Compact Reviews. We aim to update on the latest and best everything that has to do with cooking and the kitchen. We test them out in real life so you know what they're like even before buying them. For someone who loves cooking, nothing could be better than Compact Reviews.
In this video, we will discuss the top 7 best cupcake carriers. So let's get started. Number 7. Snapware Snap and Stack 2. There's a lot to love about the Snap and Stack cupcake carrier. Not only does it carry 2 dozen cupcakes, but the cupcake trays are reversible and can accommodate 2 layers of cookies or brownies. Each cupcake tray also has 2 handles, which makes it easier to lower and remove cakes into the carrying compartment and allows for additional cookie layers. The cupcake wells reliably held the cupcakes in place, and the handle kept the box even when walking. The model we reviewed came with 2 stackable containers, but they also sell a 3-layer model. Number 6. Collapsible Cupcake Carrier. With room to tote up to 24 cupcakes, a 10-inch round cake, or a 9-inch square cake, PrepWorks collapsible cover makes storing a cinch. Our tests also found that its unique cupcake well design with finger holes meant that we could remove cupcakes without fear of smudging the frosting. Some reviewers commented that the clips are hard to close. Our tests found that if you line up the plastic dome within the lip of the base by applying some light pressure, they neatly snap into place. Number 5. Bake Take Serve Cupcake Pen Carrier. For small kitchens or cupcake making newbies, we recommend the Sweet Creations covered cupcake pan. This ingenious design transforms your cupcake tin right into a carrying case with enough room to hold 14 cupcakes. In particular, we appreciated the firm handle, which won't rock your carrier as you walk. Just keep in mind that cakes in the pan will make it more challenging to remove pre-frosted cakes, and over time the cupcake pan will lose its shiny new look. Number 4. Collapsible Cupcake and Cake Pop Display Carrier. If you're the overachieving type and find yourself needing to transport both cupcakes and cake pops and display them, Sweet Creations has you covered. With room to hold and stylishly present 40 cake pops or 24 cupcakes, you definitely won't feel pressured to rein in your creative efforts. However, our tests did find that this model was not the most straightforward to assemble, and even when collapsed, it still takes up a hefty amount of space. Number 3. Cupcake Carrier and Display. Made in the USA, Nordic Ware is well known for quality baking supplies. We love that this pan is not only BPA-free, but also free of melamine plastics. Testers noted some concerns with how well the handles would hold up over time, but a 5-year warranty ought to put aside these concerns. The carrier wells are 2.5 inches, and thus better suited for big cupcakes and muffins. The tray can be reversed to hold a 9x 13-inch sheet cake, cookies or brownies. Number 2. Bakery Cupcake Boxes. We can't think of a better gift to receive than a dozen homemade cupcakes in a gorgeous box that also gets the baked goods to their recipient safe and sound. Far more classy than disposable plastic, these boxes come complete with cupcake cases, a viewing window, and a decorative ribbon. The boxes arrive flat-packed, which will help save storage space, and after use, the paper is recyclable. Number 1. VonShef Cupcake Storage. Tiered carriers comes in handy when you need to transport more than a dozen standard-size cupcakes. This 2-tier cupcake carrier from VonShef is capable of storing and transporting up to 24 cupcakes with ease. Clamps on the sides of each tier assure that the levels will be completely secure with no twisting or falling. The outer clasps form an airtight seal, when closed, that will keep your cupcakes fresh, and the slim carrying handle makes carrying easy. The shelves are also adaptable for half-sheet cakes.